you when you open Tekla Structure, this is what you have. So for you to create grids both in X, Y direction and Z direction, let's say you want to have this kind of grids. This is X. This is what we want to create these grids. This is 7.5 by 7.5 in the X direction, and in the Y direction we have 5 meters. Okay, and then in the Z direction we have 4.5 and 6.5. So in Tekla now, you double click on any of these A and 1. So in our X direction, here you start with 0, you space, you write 7,500, you space, you write 7,500, you space. So now if you modify now, you see that you have two of these 7.5 by 7.5. Then in the Y direction you start with 0, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 30. So the length is 35. 5,000. If you modify now, you see the changes. Okay, so now in the Z direction too, you start with 0. After starting with 0, you now, after starting with 0, you now write the height. Let's say the first height is 4,500, you space, and then the top height is 6,500. So you are accumulating it, so now it become 6,500. Then to label it, let's say the X direction, we want it to be A, B and C. Then in this direction we want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the Z direction we want 0, then 1 plus 4,500 and plus 6,500. If you want to go down in the foundation, you first put here, let's say minus 1,000. Then under here too, you can put minus 1,000. Then you can modify this. As you modify it, you can see that everything has changed. And before you start your drawing, you can come into this box, you right click and you write fit area to the entire box. Good. Then from here now you can start to do your modeling. So in our next lecture now, we are going to learn how we can create a truss. We are going to learn how we can create this kind of truss in Tekla Structures. Thank you for watching.